Established in 2006, Q Acoustics loudspeakers have been an outstanding success from the start. Its first products, the 1000 series, sent a seismic shock through the UK loudspeaker industry, received unstinting praise from reviewers around the world, and scooped numerous prestigious awards. More awards followed, with the later 1000i and 2000i series speakers. The secret of Q Acoustics' success is very simple. People choose Q Acoustics loudspeakers because they deliver an unrivaled combination of excellent sound quality and first-class finish at a very affordable price. Today we introduce Concept 20, a remarkable new loudspeaker we confidently expect will have a massive impact on the conventional loudspeaker market. Why? Because the Concept 20 is a breakthrough product, delivering a sonic performance previously thought impossible at this price point.
I'm here today with Karl-Heinz Fink. Karl heads Fink Audio Consulting and is widely recognised as one of the world's most accomplished loudspeaker designers. Karl and his team have played a pivotal role in Q Acoustics' successful models to date, and naturally, he is the lead audio designer on the Concept 20 project. So, Karl-Heinz, why is the Concept 20 just so amazingly good?
Actually, the answer to that question is very straightforward. So when we designed the loudspeakers, we worked a lot on the old problem of cabinet resonances that you have in almost every loudspeaker.
Just a minute, what is cabinet resonance and why is it a problem?
Cabinet resonance you can hear very easy. You just tap on the cabinet and you hear the cabinet resonance. Every cabinet got resonances. And of course we are trying to reduce the resonances as good as possible because they work against the drive unit on the front.
So, are we able to measure these improvements in loudspeaker design?
It's not easy to do it with a microphone because actually when you measure with a microphone you measure what the loudspeaker is doing as well. We're using a laser vibrometer and we actually measure the vibrations on the surface and then we calculate the radiated sound pressure level from that measurement and compare it with the active loudspeaker.
Now the loudspeaker is available in this rather beautiful lacquered deep gloss black, but also in gloss white, and oh, magically I can produce one, and there it is. This is obviously with the grill off. But also on the front here we can see that the tweeter is isolated from the front because you get even better isolation and lower resonance.
Yes, I mean you have to avoid that any vibrations are going to the tweeter because the tweeter makes really tiny excursions. And on the other hand you have to avoid that anything from the tweeter is going into the cabinet.
Sure. Because
it will then get radiated from the surface.
So we've talked about the front here, the rear terminals as well. It's a rear ported speaker.
And you see these bars here for the bi-wiring terminal, even they are not just the standard. Because the standard ones, they're often made from steel, they're cheap and easy, but they don't sound very good.
Actually, just using the conventional little metal plates and changing over to the bars that you use, you could hear the difference even on those tiny bits of contact material. You can actually hear the difference. The speaker itself is so revealing.
Yeah, but that's what we call high end.
Yeah, of course.
You hear everything that's coming in. So that's good and bad. It shows you when you have a bad amplifier, but it also shows you if you have a very good amplifier or a CD player. We have more vibrations and more coloration actually from the cabinet than we have from the drive units. That's what we found out. We made the drive units better and better, and we still could hear something that was wrong. And that's why we started to investigate how to improve that. It's a very good example here. If you take such a glass, this is the normal resonance that you get, and what we tried is to find a way to damp that in a way, and you can hear it's more or less gone.
I, of course, have heard the Concept 20 and it is a truly remarkable loudspeaker. You've done a wonderful job. Thank you so much.